Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from iPad 2025 to an Android device. Begin by opening App Store on iPad and Play Store on an Android. Then you need to download free app called Send Anywhere on both. And when it's ready, launch it. Now you need to set them up. Let's start with iPad 1. Hit whatever you want to in first pop-up. Then tap on Allow Full Access in the second one, Photo Library 1, and whatever you want to in all the other ones. Then hit Send at the top left corner. Now, on an Android, tap on I agree and I acknowledge, confirm, continue, and allow. Tap on whatever you want to in the pop-up and click on your device's display. Then select Receive at the bottom and go back to your iPad. Now, using all of those categories on the left, you can select all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and decide which connection way you want to use. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!